What is going on, guys? It's Alex. I'm in the Freedom Van this episode. In front of me I got Caiden Jackson, Alex Broggi, and we're heading to a rock climbing spot right now. Gonna do some rock climbing and then see where the day takes us, but we're gonna end up in Sedona for sure tonight. We made it to the parking lot of the climbing spot. We're rolling pretty deep. These fucking goons over here. We're gonna roll out now. Little slip and slide. Good save. Broggi's there. But he's all the way up there.
What was I thinking?
Alright, y'all. We got here. It's hot as sacks up in the pit. But we're about to get climbing.
Dude, you know the brand Kodiak cakes?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The pancakes?
Yeah, they make some sick.
Just in case.
Yo, we just finished up climbing. Now we're about to do some rappelling. We're on a fucking huge cliff right now. Those are the routes we just climbed and feeling pumped. I'm currently rappelling down a mountain.
Alright, hang on.
Crazy.
Give me a minute.
Stuck on this wall right now because there's a tree. This is literally crazy, y'all. Never done anything like this. Oh, oh, I made it. Yeah. That shit was crazy, y'all. Probably one of the coolest experiences I've ever had in my life so far. All right, so the process of this is climbing up the mountain, and then when we get to the top, there's an anchor, a metal hole that you can tie the ropes to, and you basically just trust your entire life with this little piece of metal right here. You got the boys out there on the cliff edge. Pretty sure Caiden should be coming up here pretty shortly. There's the man himself. How was it, bud?
Oh, dude. That was crazy.
You are the home I've never left but never been to. Like a father gone to war, I cannot reach you.
Alright, we're getting ready to leave. Got Broggi belaying down with all the gear. And then we're gonna head out of the pit and go to Sedona. Back at the vans. Look how sick this is. Got Caiden's van. My van. She's finally getting back out there. Super Caiden Sacks. Super Apple. So we're on 89A, headed down to Sedona right now. We're gonna go fill up our water at the same fountain from last video and then jump in the cold water, so it should be fun. I'm getting all changed in the van right now. We're gonna go hop in the river because Caiden said he stinks. Before van life, he was a fisher. Broggi's about to get in. This is like literally my favorite part of camping, is doing this cold plunge and washing off. I was feeling good about the Freedom Van today, but the coolant leak just got so much worse and it's like dripping like piss. We're in the store now shopping for dinner. Not looking good over here, but I'm gonna try to make the most of it still. We just left Bash's getting food, and you really just gotta learn how to make light of a dark situation. This is literally the shittiest thing that probably could have happened to me today, but I've decided I'm not gonna let it ruin my weekend, and I'm still gonna act like as if it didn't even happen. Getting closer to camp. This is a very, very stressful ride. The air that's blowing out of my intake right now is literally like 200 degrees. I was putting my hand like as close as it could get, and it was like actually starting to burn. All right, we made it to the campsite. We got the van here safely. It's not gonna blow up, although getting home is a different story. We're gonna get dinner going here. I got stuff to make pasta. Broggi's taking pictures.
Do you remember me?
Hey guys, so Guy isn't here today. He's actually on his way, but he'll be here in like 2 weeks. I'm cooking some pasta right here. Got a yerb right there. And it's gonna be so good. Y'all, I gotta expose this dude right here. He's got a little Happy Meal out in the desert. My pasta flopped. It was like mashed potatoes, so I got SpaghettiOs and meatballs. Campbell's, please sponsor me, please. If you don't know, now you know. Cook this over the fire. Best popcorn I've ever had in my whole life. All right, guys, we're all headed to bed now. In the morning, we're gonna make breakfast, and then we're apparently headed to Elvis Presley's abandoned house in Sedona. So that should be pretty cool. Overlanded had to do a lot of research to find this place, so it's gonna be quite an adventure. I love you. Good night. What is going on, guys? We just woke up. I'm in the roof nest right now. Off in the view there, that is Jerome, a city in the side of a mountain, and it supposedly has some really good burgers. For breakfast, I'm making pancakes. All I need is water and pancake mix. Out there, he's making rice cakes.
No, bud. You got apple cider for my apple cider.
I have hot cocoa. Y'all, I am so excited. I haven't cooked my pancakes at camp in so long. Cooking with a little bit of a view of Overlanded. So cute. So we're trying to get the campsites over there tonight, but we don't know if they're open, so I'm gonna fly my drone over there. See if we can get one ourselves.
Oh, great mystery, cannot touch you. Got my fingers to your wounds. For I've seen tricks and I've seen villains. Oh, the stench of their sweet perfume.
Overlanded found Elvis Presley's house on Google Maps the other day. So we're gonna go check that out and see if it's actually there.
The Elvis Presley's old house. He had it built like a while before he died and a while after he was born for $10,000.
$10,000?
Yeah, it's like part of the cliff wall, but it's also got like man-made architecture built into it. The glass is supposedly still there.
The glass. And this is as of 4 years ago, so we're gonna go see what's true about it and what isn't. Unfortunately, it was on private property, so we couldn't quite get back there. So we don't really want to get shot over this. But we flew the drones back there, and we actually found it. You can roll that footage right now, but it's pretty crazy. Maybe we'll get back there one day, but that day won't be today. So now we're off to the Anvils to go climb some rocks. Riding in the back of Caiden Jackson's van right now. I can like almost feel Broggi doing something weird behind me at all times. He's got the curtains up here. Overlanded sack. Caiden sack. Sedona sack. Y'all, I was just showing this man a video and he passed out. Like, let me put you guys on real quick. 99 cents for a whole dinner. And this is how you afford to travel, right here. For some reason, eating carrots in this form makes them 10 times better. All right, we just pulled up at the climbing spot. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna go around this way, climb under a tunnel, cross the river, boulders. We're headed into this tunnel. I don't really know. It's crazy in here. This is how we get to the climbing spot every time. It's such a wicked little spot. and it adds to the adventure. Just crossed the river. We climbed over this ladder from like 1842. So we found a dog. Hi, bud. We're gonna climb some rocks now, drink some yerb. Yeah, this is actually amazing. We don't know either of these dogs' names. They're just chilling with us. Like literally, this one might be Caiden's new dog. We're on top of this big ass boulder. Really fun climb. This is Sedona over here. We're over set up on the other side of this rock somewhere, looking at that stuff. It's been a pretty chill day out here in the desert. We were supposed to go to Elvis's house, but we only went by drone because it was on private property. But probably not going to record much here at the rocks.
Back check your whole body. That's how I'm doing. I'm just like pushing against the wall like that, and then there's a little ledge right here.
We found more dogs. They're attracted to Caiden again. We're about to stop and get some water. We just finished up bouldering. Such a rad day. And we're gonna go cook some dinner for sunset.
They got the orange yerbs.
People in the store are starting to recognize us. They just said, "You're back," because we just came in here for the third time in the last 24 hours.
Third bags of the day, boys.
For real, bro.
What's gonna help with this?
Those sacks. All right, guys, we got to camp. The rocks are looking insane, so we're basically just gonna hike off in the distance and make our own trail, because sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Ain't that right, Caiden Sachs?
I'd say that's right.
Probably.
Are we not bringing any
What happened there, bud? Pretty good sunset. Filmed some footage. Now it's dinner time. Got that 99-cent rice.
I'm cooking for dinner.
We are pulling back up to camp.
Now we seem closer to the rock.
I don't know if that's possible. We just decided that instead of a fire tonight, we're gonna have a movie night in the Freedom Van. Take advantage of the time we have it, because Lord knows it could be a few months before I ever see you again. Eddie, if you need a power source for on the road, super reliable, and you can charge your phone on the top. Can't really beat that.
I've been donated this beautiful, luscious hand-cut table from Caiden Jackson Sachs.
But so I got my rice cooking right here. We just met some really awesome dudes out here, and everyone we ever meet is like top tier, coolest people we've ever met. Honestly, for 99 cents, honestly in general, this is like the best camp meal I've had in a long time.
Isn't it
Super good.
This will work?
It'll work. And those who know, know. Those who don't will never know. Y'all, we're having a movie night in the van tonight. This is another amazing cheap snack. He's just got a jar of peanut butter
And a banana.
and a banana. That's really all you need.
It's the same thing, but with an apple too. And whatever fruit you prefer.
Oh, fuck, bud. Even
This
this is the behind the scenes right here.
It looks like
This is what we do after the day of.
does. This was right near
filming.
Bryce Canyon.
Unfortunately, Caiden canceled movie night.
I did. For reasons that you do not want to know.
Yo, we met these guys tonight. They gave us some goodies, including some chicken. And Broggi he doesn't stop.
Right.
Like, he doesn't stop eating. And another thing is, it's never his food, ever.
Ow. Oh.
Yo, you like the roof nest, bud?
Come on.
I'm letting Broggi sleep with me
The
tonight.
moon is brighter than my nuts out there.
Yeah, he doesn't want to sleep in his car because he has no, what are they called, reflectors. So he wakes up every morning. We are gonna head to bed. We're doing a sunrise hike. I think we're doing Soldiers Pass at like 5 in the morning. And then we're gonna head back up to Flagstaff, but we decided we're gonna drive to Colorado next weekend, so stay tuned for that, I guess. No, I don't think so. Alright, y'all, we just woke up in the roof nest. It was freezing last night, but we slept good.
Right at that rock, back a little bit towards you.
What are these guys doing?
No, right, that, right.
Good morning, Overlanded Sachs.
Good morning.
Now we're headed off to Soldiers Pass and then back up to Flagstaff. So I'm gonna take you guys on that hike with me, and that should do it for the video. Back in bad. Bro, Caiden Jackson over there is running back in because he forgot to buy a sandwich and he thought it looked really good. And he returns. Let's see it. Let's see the sandy. Oh.
Oh, it's not no
He
sandy.
didn't come back with the sandy. You got the chicken and rice.
Times 15 times 4, what? That's
75, right?
wait,
45?
wait,
15?
60 each, bud.
45,
60 each for the
60
weekend.
bucks. That's not.
All right, so we just decided we're going to fucking Colorado next week, and we're gonna try to find a cool Airbnb to stay in for a really cheap amount. These are like my favorite part of the hike. The trail signs at the beginning go super hard. We're making way here, but basically, if you do any hike in Sedona, you're gonna get crazy views. All right, guys, we made it to the caves. A little bit of a hike. It's so hot out here in February for some reason. It literally feels like the middle of summer. We did not dress appropriately. Where's Broggi? Typically with these touristy hikes, there's super cool spots in the area that nobody goes to because they only go to the main attraction for one picture. But that leaves amazing places to explore for us, like this little cave. As you can see, it goes up there, and I'm gonna try some cool drone shots.
Oh, you score like my sweetest friend. Oh, great mystery, have I met you? Oh, you score like my sweetest friend.
Alright guys, so we just got up into Soldier's Pass, climbing up through here. And so it's like a little land bridge with an opening right there. But the lighting is kind of shit in here, so you can't really see it as well as we can. This hike reminds me so much of the Subway Caves, but as you can see, it's a whole lot less touristy. So now we're on top of Soldier's Pass. It's basically a little slot canyon, and then there's a cave pointed out that way. At that view, that'll about wrap it up for this video. If you liked this longer type of video, I'm probably gonna be doing these more now. And next week we're sending out to Colorado, so expect a really good vlog from that.